Greetings and welcome to Week 5 of Loki 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Joseph Kursky here with you. Glad you're here. GIS, GIS, every morning you greet me. We begin Week 5 by focusing on selected maps that follow good design principles, and ones that, well, not so much. They're not good maps in many respects. So I think it's important for us to look at some good examples and some not so good examples as you progress forward in your own learning. We then turn our attention to type on maps, typography, type, print, letters, numbers, etc. on maps. We then discuss data quality and why it matters. First of all, what it is, and then why it matters. You know, today we've got so many maps at our fingertips and maps that we can make. So how do we know if the vast content of mapping out there is good or not? So we'll talk about that quite extensively. Through this, I think you'll enjoy these bad map examples that I have compiled. We finish our readings by examining an issue. Should geospatial data be for fee, charged for, or should it be free? So fee or free. The hands-on lab for Week 5 is one of my favorites. I can't wait for you to get started with this. I love them all. What's not to love? We start with examining demographics, population characteristics in Chicago, age, income, diversity, lifestyle. We then create a drive time map to solve a real problem. Then we turn back the clock to 1854 and the setting all the way over the pond to London and examine cholera using location intelligence tools. After that, we examine geologic and flood hazards in a mountain county. This is not just some academic exercise. This county actually did have a mega flood back in 2013, and so these tools and these data sets were created to help that same community mitigate future floods. And so you'll use the same data that they're using. You will then, as usual, take a short quiz, and that's a wrap for Week 5. Thanks, and map on.